Alternative forms means the alternative arrangement of the forms. Actually, S and R were not hooked in the last chapter to provide these alternative forms. Alternative forms of FR, VR, FL, VL, इधर, दर and there. थल तो एक ही फॉर्म होती है ना, तो थल की फॉर्म तो है ही, एक ही सिंगल है. The strokes R and S are not hooked for the addition of R and L. Actually, they were not hooked for the addition of R and L hook. They are hooked to provide alternative forms. For example, alternative forms for one form is, this is the normal form for, but alternative form is this, yani reverse side. Same normal form and this is the alternative form. Tar and ye tar. Dar and ye. These are the alternative forms. Same with fal and wal. They will be hooked with L, and L hook is a large hook. This is fal, alternative. This is wal, and this is the alternative. The first form of each pair is called a left curve form because it is made with the left motion. We can say original form also. The second form of each pair is called a right curve because it is made with the right motion. There is only one form for thal. थल के लिए एक ही फॉर्म है, that is left curve. It will not be with the right curve, namely the left curve. For and var. When standing alone, the left curve for for and var there are used if a vowel precedes, and right curve if vowel does not precede. When there is an initial vowel, then we have to use the left curve form. That means original form. For example, affray. It will be written above the line. Affray. But fray, there will be a final vowel. Then we have to use the alternative form, yani right curve. Either and three. When there is a final vowel, we have to use the alternative form to place the vowel. Before TD, JJ, N and ing, the left form is used. For example, Friday. In case of Friday, D is being followed. It will be written above the line. Virtue, T is being followed. It will be written on the line, virtue. Average, average will be also written above the line. Frank, it will also be written above the line, first place vowel. And France also. इसके नीचे दो लाइन लगानी है आपने. Before PB, K and A, the right form is used. Like आपको ये strokes याद रखने हैं. TD, JJ and PB, KA. Wow. In case of Africa, लिवरपूल। अपर स्ट्रोक के साथ तो अल्टरनेटिव फॉर्म ही आएगी, फ्रॉग एंड बबल। Next, after upper straight strokes which re, ve, ye, he, upper, ke, ge, l up, the right form is used. There is no other alternative. Reason is that अभी मैं आपको wrong outline भी बना के दिखाऊंगी. रे वर, अगर आप इसकी नॉर्मल फॉर्म बनाते हैं, आप देखो इसमें हुक दिख ही नहीं रहा. It is wrong. Same वेवर, अगर इसकी अल्टरनेटिव फॉर्म नहीं बनाते, नॉर्मल फॉर्म बनाते हैं, सॉरी, तो देखो ये हैव बन जाता, हुक दिखता ही नहीं. क्लेवर, लीवर एंड लवा. तर एंड तर, एक किथ है, एक दी है. And but the alternative forms are with right form. When preceded by a vowel, the left form is used. Same. Either, अगर either बोलते हैं तो above the line होगा, either बोलते हैं तो through the line होगा. It depends upon you, but spelling will remain same. अगर either बोलते हैं तो it will be written above the line. Otherwise, but when not preceded by a vowel, right form is used. Same. 3 and through. Fal and wal. The left form is always used in the beginning. मतलब कि flow. अब दोनों इसके अल्टरनेटिव फॉर्म लिखेंगे. This is wal, large hook. This is wal and large hook. The left form is always used in the beginning. For example, flow. मतलब be careful कि अगर इनिशियल वोवल आ रहा है तो भी, अगर नहीं आ रहा तो भी, इनिशियली जो है we have to use the left form. Claim, F-claim. Alternative forms after re and he up. Ve, ke, ge, n. Right form is used. जैसे cavalry, क्योंकि अपर स्ट्रोक एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रोक्स के केस में हमें राइट फॉर्म लेनी पड़ती है. राइफल, वेवल, केवल, नेवल. इसमें कैविल भी बोलते हैं तो इट विल बी रिटन ऑन द लाइन, केविल बोलते हैं तो ऑन द लाइन. बट इन केस ऑफ आफ्टर एल अप, फलवल इज रिप्रेजेंटेड विद स्ट्रोक्स. जैसे लाफुल. रीजन इज दैट अगर हम इसको बनाते हैं तो क्या लेवल बन जाता है, तो नो, सेम लेवल but unlawful. We can make changes in this case also. Unlawful. हम इसमें अपना हुक लगा सकते हैं.